for sale 1975 Camaro. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 75 Camaro, finished in factory colors. Original Texas car. Numbers matching drivetrain, 350, 4-speed with factory AC. Oh gosh, excuse me, I got allergies. Power steering, power front disc brakes, original metal, and as always I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, tell everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So of course we'll start her in the front as always. Oh gosh. Sorry. If you're a 75 Camaro person, this one probably looks familiar because I had it in 2022. I have the pleasure of owning it once again. Beautiful color combination on it. Code 13 silver paint with the black interior. Oh gosh, it really sounds like I'm gonna sneeze, just bear with me. For some reason the last week I just started sneezing like crazy. Anyway, let's go here on the chrome bumper, which I'm still convinced that it's the original one, just really nicely maintained. See some little blemishes here on the rubber or on the bumper. Pretty common, of course. The car looks just about as nice and the same as when I sold it in 22. It's got new carpet, new radio, and I have the original radio for it, and a brand new 650 Brawler carb. Lines up nice here, lines up nice with the stripes. Lines up nice here. Still has the same ding on the fender when that was there when I sold it in 22. Couple little, like, you see right there. Couple little marks right there. No cracks in the glass. No rust underneath. No patchment panels. The trunk pan has its original spatter paint still. Go ahead and pop the hood. But a little hard to see. You see some little blemishes right there in the paint. See a couple more right there, being picky. Engine bay looks about the same. I would say mostly original. Inner fender wells, both sides clean. You know, this is nice, clean. It's more of an honest looking engine bay. Excuse me. Factory AC, which works. Power steering, which of course is below. Power brakes. Master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. And you can see the Brawler carb on there. And if I didn't already mention, it's an Edelbrock aluminum intake. I like the fin valve covers too, a little sportier. It's the LM1 350. So it's 155 horse. So it's the higher horse motor for the year. Paired with its numbers matching 4-speed trans. Trim tag is in place over here, which if you take a picture of, that will be on the ad. Let me go ahead. I want to fire it up, let you guys hear it run. It's got nice dual stainless steel exhaust on it. Get it out of gear. Oh, we gotta. All the gauges work, radio works, horn works, wipers work, AC works, lights work. about an hour from me. I went and grabbed it last week. Drove it back that hour. Highway, 70-something miles an hour. We have those black and white Z28s, the 78, 79. This one drives better than that. There's just something about it. And not that they don't drive good. I would just say this one just drives better. But anyway, we'll go down the driver's side of the car as always. Looks just about the same in this section. Because again, I just watched that video. Little bit of buffing compound here. Couple little touch-ups right on that lip. Now the tires, when I sold it, had about 500 miles on it. The guy maybe drove it 200 miles, 250 miles. So it's probably still got less than 1,000 miles on it. Rims are in excellent shape. I was just admiring them earlier. Nice fitment here on the fender. Body gap lines up nicely. Lines up nice to the rocker. All the way back. The door to the quarter looks great. Let me get down here. You see a couple, some little stone chips on that lower panel. Common. Nice in here. Beautiful finish on top. That same little hairline crack that happens on almost every one of these cars. Nice fitment here. Little touch up on that door edge. Another little guy. Little scuff. But nice down here. I mean, that's beautiful. No bubbling. The hem on both corners of the doors and the inside doors, mint. Original tag is in place. Original that is in place, which makes me think that this could be original paint in here. I don't exactly remember. I have a brand new set of these for it that I'm including, which I think these are, in good enough shape. You don't have to, but it's gonna go with the car. Door panel's in excellent shape. Nice in here, like I said, mint in that corner. Nice in here as well. Driver's seat. Looks great. Again, like I said, it's new carpet. And I just put this one on brand new. Console's great. And yes, it is a factory 4-speed car. Serial number is stamped on the trans, and I did take a picture of that. That, of course, will be on the ad. No cracks in the dash pad. Unmolested gauges. There's your AC vents. It's a brand new Kenwood radio. Correct steering wheel. Visors are great. No poked holes in the headliner. Sail panels are nice. No chopped up speakers in the package tray. Seat forward. Back seats look nice. There's two little chips on that little thing there in the middle, but door panels are great. They're not cracked, they're not chipping, they're not flaking. The dome light works if you didn't notice that. Little sunny. Couple little marks here. Couple little there. I think these are new. One, actually just disappeared. Oh, little guy, little tiny guy right there. And then you see a couple little bubbles right there, but the low is nice. Back bumper looks great. Finish here looks nice. They're like a satin black stripe. I tried to bring a little bit of life to it with a little shine. It didn't really. So they're just like a. I don't mind it actually. It kind of grows on me. Trunk lid. Lines up nice in here. I think these are original keys as well, because the odometer shows 4,000 something, and I'm pretty sure that's 104 on the car. Not this car, but the body itself. Not the paint body, but since new. You know, obviously it's had work done to it. You know what I'm saying. Older weather stripping, but obviously it's done a good job of keeping water out because it's all your original spatter paint in here. It's nice, it's clean. Quarters are original. But here's your original Delco radio, a spare, original air cleaner. I do believe this to be original paint as well, because I believe this to be the original jacking instructions. You can see some little stone chips and stuff down there, but zero bubbles. Little mark right there. Little mark right there, and the same matching one. Little mark, little touch up, nice fitment again to the front and to the quarter. Nice in there. See on this seat here, that's seam ripped. It's not in your face, but just pointing that out. But anyway, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. Some more stone chips down here. 75 Camaro. Finished in factory colors. Nicely optioned. LM1 350, 155 horse. Numbers matching 4-speed trans. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC. Texas car. And we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. to 350. Yeah, stop. What do I got under the hood? Well,
You could have told him anything, he wouldn't have known.
yeah, you're right, actually. 468. Wow. 502 crate motor.
This is a beautiful running car.
Yeah.
Handling, driving, steering.
I had a lot of fun driving it home.
Oh yeah, it's a fun car. It drives itself.
Yeah.
There's no fighting the horsepower. Or it's like a stock car with just upgraded just enough to give you a little more acceleration, power, handling, steering.
Sounds good. Looks good.
Makes a U-turn good up ahead.
Wow. This is a Florida car. I can see it going around Naples in this.
Naples?
Yeah, with the 4-speed.
It's for Richie. Oh, this is that great guy.
Would have been nice to have my jersey for yesterday's tournament. We're gonna get in trouble doing this one day.
You think so?
Yeah.